Next problem is, last video finished 5th problem, no? Next problem is 6th. 7.2 exercise only 6th. A and B are -2 and -4 respectively. So, a point A, B, -2, -2, 2 and -4 respectively. Find P on AB, somewhere P on AB, such that AP is 3/7. AP is 3/7 of AB. So, 7AP is equal to 3AB. So, you can write this as 3 and 4. Totally AP is 3/7. Can you understand? If you take this 3, this will be 4. AP is how much? AP is 3/7 because 3/7 of AB. AB totally it is 7, but AP is 3. This point if you can find out, then your problem is very easy. But if you take this as 3 and 7 gone, that's why AP is 3/7 of AB. Therefore, PB should be equal to 4. So, AP is totally 3/7 of AB. Now, so M1, now X1, you have to find out XY. Okay, M1 is 3, M2 is 4, X1 is -2, X2 is Y2, X1, Y1 is -2, X2 is 2, Y2 is -4. Now we will use the formula. Px is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2. So, M1, how much is that? 3 into X2, 2 plus M2, 4 into X1 -2 by M1 plus M2, 3 plus 4, 6 minus 8 by 7, -2/7. That is Px. Py is M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 plus M1 plus M2. M1, how much is M1? 3 into M1 into Y2 -4 plus M1 into M2 is 4 into Y1 -2 by 3 plus 4 -12 -8 by 7 -20/7. So the coordinates of P x y is -2/7 and -20/7. Very easy, but if you go wrong there, 3 and 7 if you take, finished.